Hi, welcome back to my course study guide for 308 at Houston Community College, and I am doing a video study guide of my Chapter 8 review that is coming up for the final exam, and I have been going over the volume and some of the certain traits that comprise the volume to know and understand. And now I'm moving on to the volume of a rectangle, and remember we spoke that we're trying to fill it up. So we want to do the length times the width times the height. Then, like before, I really want to emphasize that it doesn't really matter which number you apply to each, but like as long as you use one side and don't, accidentally put in like two twos if this measurement was two and these two were different. So just keep an eye, be consistent what number you pull it from to plug it in. It doesn't matter which order you multiply it, but how we just generally see something is, the length, the width, and the depth. So as long as these, or if you do it up this way, you've got your height, your depth still here in the width here. Sorry, I'm watching this thing here. Okay, so as long as you multiply all three of them together, you will get the volume. And remember, that's how many of those little cubes that you go into to fill it up. And we will cube the measurement at the end. So at the end, this number will be whatever your unit of measure is in to the third power. And that's because you have the same here, the same for this digit here, and the same for this digit here. So basically you got 1, 2, and 3. So you do need to see that as kind of like compared whenever we multiply like variables together of the same, then you put like the x squared. So here you are seeing the unit of measure being multiplied times itself 3 times. So that's why we cube it to establish where that exponent there comes from. So just remember that the length, the width, and the depth, it doesn't matter which way, on a rectangular side or a cube. Bam. So we will now go into the surface area.